What's up, guys? Are we recording? Let me look. Okay, we're recording. All right, so clear my throat. I'm dubbing this video reasons you should buy a Shadow 750 or 700 if you're in the mid to later 80s. First reason you should buy a Shadow 750 is because they're fun. And as you can see, you can use the entire range of its abilities. Now, I'm gonna scrape. There's a giant thing, I'm gonna try not to scrape. There's a giant thing hanging off the kickstand, or the side stand over here. So when you lean this thing down that far, that's the first thing that scrapes. Trying to figure out, I'm not going down that far. Am I scraping pegs? Nope. It's the kickstand, the thing you're supposed to use to kick it. I think it's factory, but I'm not sure. But I think I ride this thing a little harder than it's intended to, and a little harder than most people do. If you watched my last video, I told you how easy and calm and comfortable this bike is. Well, today, we're firing it up and seeing how much fun you can have on it. The cool thing about this bike is you can ride it wide open and you're not scared of its power. It's a reliable, dead reliable Honda V-twin. Downshift, downshift, take off. So it's a super reliable bike. The only things I've ever had to fix are neglect and just maintenance that people have left gone. The Shadows are usually just solid motorcycles. I'm not sure what's happening here. I hope this guy's okay. He's got what I do. That's what it's all about, just having fun. I don't care what you're on. It's having damn fun. So anyway, I don't know what he's doing. I'm gonna pass him. So he is not, let's talk about being dressed for your ride. He is not dressed for the slide, but whatever. Anyway, this bike, it's a 750 Shadow. It sounds about like that little 250 or whatever he's riding. But I throw this sucker around until you meet her parameters. Where was I? So, okay, why you should buy a Honda Shadow 750? Because they're reliable, because they're readily accessible. There's so many out there. Parts are easy to grab. And they're pretty affordable. I bought this one for 150 bucks. Now, I know, it had a lot of issues that I had to go through, but I haven't even cleaned the carburetor. It was sitting for probably 8 months plus. I'd say probably a year and a half. And I haven't even cleaned the carburetor, guys. The tank is completely clean and it's just amazing. So I put some money into it, had to buy parts. It's all fine. On this bike, you're not going to get a lot of people saying, whoa, look at that V65 Magna. Whoa, look at that sport bike. It's so shiny, clean, and new. You're going to get people like, I had one of those. And you're going to make friends that way, so you're going to be fine. But you can use the entire bike. That's when you get some of these bigger tours. You only ever use the tiny bit of low range. And these muscle bikes, which I'm so into, you really only use the lower end of the muscle range. This thing, you can ride the full range of the bike. You can throw it left, throw it right. And it's just a blast to ride. Get out and have fun. You probably won't get one for 150 bucks that runs. But I'd sell this, I'm thinking about 1,200 bucks. So under 15, you can easily, and that's without a title. I'm sorry, guys. I thought this was a parts bike when I bought it. And now I can't not sell it as a whole bike. That would be stressful. It runs too freaking good. It's too much fun. Somebody's gonna want this. So maybe you're watching this video now and you live in a state that it doesn't have titles. Come buy my Shadow. You'll love it. I love it. I was gonna tear it apart, but I figured let's see if it runs, and it runs great. It's amazing, and it's a 750. It's not a little 500. Has that straight pipe on it, but it sounds like it's been jetted. And the reason I think it's been jetted is there's no dead spots. That straight pipe is just right on. So anyway, guys, amazing fun on the 750. You're gonna love it. This is why you should buy a 750, because it gets you around. It's a nice, calm cruiser if you want it to be. It's not super obnoxious. It's actually kind of chill if you're in the lower revs. You're gonna have fun no matter what you do with this bike. So anyway, buy an 83 Shadow 750 or any of the Shadow 750s. I have a 95 600 that I need to get running for you guys, and for me, that I do have a title for, so that could be a potential ride for you. The Shadows are just awesome. There's no way around it. You might have a little bit of uncomfortableness if you're tall. I certainly am not tall, and there's pretty decent lower ground clearance. You can reach your toes to the floor. It's an upright seating position. My wrists don't hurt after riding this for hours. You gotta remember to sit up. Don't slouch when you're riding, because that'll hurt your lower back, but this bike position doesn't hurt your lower back at all. So, great bikes. If you try one out, you'll probably buy it. You'll love it. And they're simple, easy to fix. Very simple. You have your temp gauge, RPMs, miles per hour, and all your dingy-dingy lights here. Anyway, I'm between two Volvos. Neither one of them seems to really want to go here. So anyway, I guess that's kind of it for this video. Buy a Shadow 750, have fun on it. This just got boring. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a great day, get out and ride.